it is clearly evident from these diagrams that we can see construction, synthetic, the use and closure, synthetic drainage, man-made holes. So the name of this writing task 1 is, means the heading of these diagrams, the design of modern landfill for household waste. So this question was part of 7th March IELTS exam. IELTS exam in India, but this can be repeated anywhere in my neighboring country as well as in another part of the world. Okay, so I will just make you understand how to attempt this process diagram, what language we should use it, whether it should be in past or present or future, and how to organize our answer, including all planning steps as well as some vocabulary words, as well as full essay, full report writing. We will be discussing it with that. So everything I will just explain it. Let's start this writing task 1. Yes, of course, I am Monica from Ielts9. You have to subscribe, like and comment on this video at the end. First you learn something from me. Okay, so what is the planning for these questions? Always read the title of the diagram, whatever it is given in, whether pie chart, line graph, bar graph and maps and all. Always read the title of the diagram. Now you look at the number 1, 2, 3. It means diagrams are there, not one diagram is there. Okay, this is plural. And then now read the headings of all these boxes, means all these things. Construction is given, synthetic something is given, and use, closure is given. Now one by one let's analyze. So here it is given man-made hole. So let's understand the meaning of this. Design of modern landfill for household waste or garbage, you can say. So here they will dig out, they will construct this man-made hole, and beneath this natural rock is there. It means in the area of natural rock they will make, authority will make man-made hole, and for making this landfill kind of site. Okay, at second step you can see this some pipes kind of thing. So green and yellow, there are 2 pipes, you can see this, and one gap is also there. So arrow is showing synthetic, so means synthetic pipes, I can see it, and some circles are there, and they have given this arrow and they are saying drainage pipes. These are, so means arrow is for this pipe, this is drainage pipe, and these circles, I don't know what they mean to say. So these are drainage pipes, and here drainage tank. This is natural rock, and here drainage tank, and this yellow one is clay. Okay, so the green one is drainage pipe, yellow one is clay. Of course you will not get colorful map diagram, you will get black and white. Of course, definitely there will be light and dark color will be there. So next one is use, and this is closure. In use, of course, in that open space now they have filled with household waste. This is up to this mark, this is household waste, so they are using it for dumping this household waste. Okay, again same pipes are there, and now from the household waste you can see waste liquid is coming out. Again they are showing you this yellow one is clay and this green one is drainage pipe. Now in closure, see this step, closure, final diagram is showing closure. Again this yellow one they are showing it, indicating it clay, and this green one is pipes. Okay, and natural rock, again natural rock it is written, and now you see something they have changed. Here the pipes were like that, and here the pipes are bending towards right side. It means gases they have given, so gases are coming out. So they are using these household waste for making gases. So gases, of course you know, these gases we can use it for cooking, and so many purposes these gases can be used, for industrial purpose also. So this is the finished product. Okay, one by one we have discussed. Now coming to the main important thing. Of course we know it, you should take care of 150 minutes 150 minimum words you have to write in 20 minutes, not more than that. And one important thing is here, whatever the words are given in this diagram, each and every word, each word given in the diagram, you should use it in your writing. Okay, in planning, as we were discussing these things, look at the starting point from where the diagram is, from where the process is going on, finishing point, and count the steps, finishing point or finished products. Understand the procedure now that we have done, and of course 4 paragraphs should make it, or you can just combine intro and overall paragraph. Okay, and one important thing, passive voice is really important in process diagram. Okay, so let's see the vocabulary. So vocabulary, basically we will use all the words that is given in that are given in diagrams, and apart from these process diagrams, tanks, the next stage, next phase, moreover, finally, furthermore, it is evident from the graph, if overall it can be seen from the graph. These words I will show it to you in the this thing. Now let's discuss, let's write introduction. Now this is my introduction. So the provided diagrams, so question was also saying the diagram shows and all, the provided or given diagram, given also you can write, one thing you should write it, whether it is given or provided, anything you can use it, only one. The provided diagrams illustrates, sorry, this is my mistake, see this, because here plural is there, here I was also using it, but when plural is there, then verb will be singular. The provided diagrams illustrate the modern landfill for household waste, so you can paraphrase it, which includes 4 land holes, okay, having different procedures. So I have just given which includes 4 holes, you can see, because of course household landfill, they are using it for household. Okay, now coming to overall. Overall, I have forgotten to write overall. It can be clearly seen from the diagrams or process diagrams. A typical landfill is a man-made hole dug at 4 locations, which is separating liquid and gas disposal for final use. Okay, so because I have already described here 4 land holes having different procedures, so that's why I have not explained it here. Now coming to first body paragraph. So how to write, of course I will be explaining these 2 in one paragraph and these 2 in last paragraph. Now we will start with construction, initiating with the first whole, that is construction. So I forgot to write, that is construction. Okay, comma. It is a rectangular shape that is cut into huge piece of natural rock underneath, moving towards the next hole. So see this, everything I have used, construction also, man-made hole also, natural rock. Now I will be using this synthetic drainage pipes, drainage tank and clay. Okay, so second, moving towards the next hole, which is having or which consists both drainage tank and drainage pipes and is covered with synthetic substance and clay. Everything I have written over here, because actual procedure I also can't explain, so whatever I can understand, I have written it. Okay, those who are from technical ground, engineer and all, they can easily explain more, but whatever I know, I have explained it. Now third step, usage, what they are going to use for household dump garbage, they are using it, they are filling it here, and waste liquid will come will go to the bottom of the tank. Okay, and this is again same clay is there, clay. Now third one, furthermore, next paragraph, furthermore, it is evident from the third man-made hole. Now the household dump or waste with the leachate, means worms and all, being raised up and some liquid waste can be seen at the bottom of the tub. Okay, now I have written man-made hole. Instead of man-made hole I have written tub. It means it has been used for household waste dump site and using it for some useful purpose in the form of gases. Okay, now finally the last phase before the finished gas closure hole, where landfill is closed and covered with a single. So closure hole they have given here, it is name is given for closure hole where landfill is closed and covered with a single layer of clay. The synthetic pipes are intact which are used to transport the gases from inside to outside. See this. For this task 1, this is introduction. See this, and overall paragraph and body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. I have combined in last paragraph these last two man-made hole, and in this paragraph I have combined these two boxes. Okay, so here you can see green one, it is all vocabulary, you can use it. Furthermore, it is evident from the third man-made hole, it means it has been used. Finally, the last phase, last step also you can write, moving towards the next step or next, because here it is whole, then I have written whole, initiating with the first whole or initiating with the first process, the provided diagrams, these all are, and overall it can be clearly seen. This I have forgotten. So these are all vocabulary, same things we have to use in every task 1. Now this is for our writing task 1. See this. Now try to understand how I have written. You should also write like that.